Hi guys, do you want to learn Chinese fast and easy? If you do, stay tuned. In these lessons, I will use a strategy that's combined with speaking, listening, reading, and writing Chinese characters. And also, I will use sentences and 成语 to guide you guys to learn Chinese. 成语is a 4 word combined together, and it always means something. Usually tells you a story or situation or even a history. If possible, I will use pictures to help you to understand easily and remember tough. Let's have fun now. I usually go over with homework from last video, okay? And this is 31句话. 30, let's say this is 30. 31句话. 31, okay? 31句话. Sentence we call 话. Okay, we start our 成语, okay? 吃欧愁, 愁 is worry. 一翁云, yun is cloud. 吃安惨, 惨 is sorrow. 雾 is foggy, okay? Its literal explanation looks like this, but it does really tells us that miserable and gloomy atmosphere, okay? And I made a sentence from this 成语, 愁云惨雾, okay? Make sentence we call it 造句. 人一地, 知恩震, 地震 is earthquake. 和欧后, ho is after. 知恩整, 个整个 is entire. 自哀灾, 其余区, 灾区 is disaster area. 的欧都 is all. 不 a 被 is was. 愁云惨雾. 了翁笼, 知凹罩, 知凹这, 笼罩着 is surrounded in, okay? 地震后，整个灾区都被愁云惨雾笼罩着。Okay, guys, I missed this part, so I'm gonna make up now, okay? you is also. you is have. 和我啊话 is words. 是我说 is said. 日恩人 is a person or people. 日窝若 is if. 修七修is the words. Actually, here has a missing if in English, but in Chinese we know what this means. So here has another word should be here is his wife. Okay. 基优就 is then. 当 is should. 个 a 给 is give. 他 is her. 西优修书书 is certificate. 指示is but. 我 is I. 个凹告事务诉告诉 is tell. 那因你莫恩们你们 is you. 又有话说人若休妻就当给他休书，只是我告诉你们。Hi guys, new lessons. Okay, we have 第32句话。32. So let's say this is 30. Okay, so 32句话。So 32句话。Okay, and we have a new 成语。吃恩成，西英兴，吃恩成，一义。Okay, 诚心诚意 it's a positive 成语. Okay, so 诚 is sincere. 心 is heart. Okay, so 诚心诚意 you find out, you know this word is so sincere too. So probably you find this word, what's the meaning, okay? Okay guys, let's write our 成语, okay? 诚心诚意诚诚心诚意Okay, let's study our new sentence. 佛安凡，西优修，七一七，得的修 休戚的，日窝若，不无不，是是不是，无 a 位，因营了无安乱，的淫乱的，一无安源，个无故缘故，即有就，是是就是，即凹教，他自我作，因营佛无复，淫复，乐，人日我若，其余取，这不 a 被，西优修的被修的，佛无复，人妇人，也是也是，佛安饭，饥安间，因营了奸淫了。凡休妻的，若不是为淫乱的缘故，就是叫他做淫妇了。人若娶这被休的妇人，也是犯奸淫了。Okay, guys, let's practice our Chinese. Okay, 凡休妻的，休妻的，若不是为淫乱的缘故，就是叫他做淫妇了。人若娶这被休的妇人，也是犯奸淫了。Guys, homework time. Homework will help you get this language, okay? Homework we call 家庭作业, okay? Download a translator. Translate each single word. Only if I'm on the line, you check them together. It will help you learn faster. Okay, read 2 times, read 30 times. But the more you read, the more the benefit you get. Of course, read 30 times. After when you read 30 times, close to 30 times, you would know the secret I ask you to read 30 times. If you want to speak like me, okay, watch an episode of Chinese TV series every day. I have two, okay. First one is called 还珠格格. Second one is called 神雕侠侣. Both are very entertainment. Both are maintain a lot 成语. In Chinese culture, we use 成语 a lot and very often. So this really is a treasure for you, okay? So I hope you guys have fun with your homework and stay safe. Give me thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss my new videos, alright? I will see you next Friday.